SteelMaMa are the professional manufacturer for roll forming machine in China. Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. Polished surface and heat treatment for molds can keep the molding plate surface smooth and not easy to be marked when stamping. We make different solutions according to customers' drawing, tolerance, and budget, offering professional one-to-one service adaptable for your all requirements. Equipped with a continuous cutting system, this trapezoidal roof sheet roll forming machine achieves non-stop high-efficiency production. It can process 40 meters of color steel sheets per minute, automatically cutting them into 6-meter standard lengths without any downtime. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. SteelMaMa always give you proper solution.